What's up, guys? It's Jared here, Big Pine Sports. You're probably wondering what this video is all about, aren't you? Makes no sense. Wanted to show you a little tips and trick here with the Wolverine X4. When you got this baby all cleaned up, you go to getting your side-by-side, notice that the floor is full of water. Did you guys know there's drain plugs down here? Just take the drain plug, pop it open, it's gonna drain right out. Why are they there? You guys keep the dust from coming up inside the cab. Look at your current side-by-side right now. You can see all those holes that are down in the bottom of the floor. That's where all the dust is coming up inside. Another tip here for you. When you go to put your accessories in here for your light bars, your lighted whips, your winch, this same plug that pops out is also going to be the same plug that goes down in the floor for the drain holes. So be sure and don't throw those away. There's a little tip and trick for you guys. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com or give us a call, 435-427-3338. Have a great day.